What's up with everyone? Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a tutorial. But before I bring you guys a tutorial, I want to let everyone know that I did just launch a course, full step-by-step, 6 step-by-step haircuts with how to make 6 figures a year, as well as social media marketing on Instagram to build your clientele up. I can take you guys to that next level and really elevate yourself and get you guys to the destination that I got into. Use the promo code ZayTube and you'll get 20% off on the course. So guys, today we're going to be doing a taper fade, and this is of my guy, Devontae Book for the Broncos, number 23 of the Denver Broncos. I appreciate him for allowing me to showcase him on this YouTube channel. So we're gonna get started with this cut, continue with it, and basically we're just using our T outliners, the cordless T outliners. I really like how they're just very agile, and they just get to the get to cutting really quickly. They're not as powerful, I would say, as a corded one, as far as like if you're trying to really shave with them, but I do like how they're just consistent, and they're like the best cordless trimmer I've used. So right here we're just using the wall magic clips. I'm using the wall magic clips with this entire cut. I want you guys to learn both methods of masters and magic clips. So you're using the method of open, halfway, close. And guys, with my course and everything like that, my step-by-step haircuts are an hour long, and they show you guys voiceover and with description instructions at the bottom of letting you guys know what guards to use, what lever, and when to close and open. So here we're doing halfway, and then we're going close. So we went open, halfway, close with our clippers. And so it's about learning your methods and stuff like that, and I really went hefty into my course. But this is like a free bonus video you guys can get for 15 minutes, for free content. But this one will be going on the course and adding to it in like a couple of weeks. But I wanted to give this out to you guys for free, this quick little 15-minute video. This one right here, this guard right here, is the 0 guard, the 1/16 guard of the magic clips. And what we're doing is we're going open and close. And as you can see, I'm kind of just blending with the hair, with the direction of the hair, because his hair actually goes in a different direction in the back. So you could see that his hair is kind of laying down towards the right side. And so I'm going with the grain of the hair, or excuse me, against the grain of the hair, but I'm going with the direction of the hair. So as you can see, I'm turning my blade, I'm turning my clippers and stuff like that to do that, and to really get the best blend that I could possibly get. And then we're going to close it here. And we're just continuing to just knock out that line. And also too, guys, I'm using this light that is just wonderful. If you guys go on Amazon, it's called the Diva ring light. Which is like a halo light that you see even in the background at the other side of the shop. Those are some of the best things to use to get some dope lighting and create good content and take good pictures. So right here we're using the 2 guard. We're taking the 2 guard and we're just taking the hair down and laying the curls down with the taper. And we're combing, make sure you comb a lot. And then we're just going against the grain and just knocking the hair down, taking some of the bulk down, and just making sure that we have a nice smooth afro taper. Now we're taking the 1.5 guard, and we're going against the grain and just blending the bulk out more and more until we can get to like the 1 guard and the 0 guard and just match it in the middle. That was open, and then now we're going to close it. Or excuse me, now we're going to go to our 1 guard, and we're going to go 1 guard open. And we're just blending the line out. Then we just took our 0 guard and just kind of knocking some of that out. And as you can see, we're going to reline it up, make sure we get all the little dangling hairs that are just sticking out. And then now we're going to take our 𝐃𝐨𝐤𝐿iners, our cordless 𝐃𝐨𝐤𝐿iners, and it's balled out the sides as we're doing the taper on the sides. And we're kind of creating like an arch around the taper. I know his hair is really light, but we're creating an arch so that we can keep the line up on the side really dark and create a nice taper. We're almost creating like a mid bald taper. Well, that's what it is, a mid bald taper, temple taper. And then what we're going to do for the hairline is we're actually going to take a zero guard, and that's a zero guard from my masters. You can use a zero guard from the walls too, and just knocking the hairline down on the front so that we can have a nice crispy lineup. That's the hairline is laid down. We're taking our corded 𝐃𝐨𝐿iners, and we're just lining them up. We're just lining up the sides as well. And make sure you guys line up over the top of the hair. That's the key to sharp lines, is to comb, but then also lay the trimmers over the top of the hair. And then now what we're going to do is on the taper on the sides, we're using the wall magic clips open, halfway closed. And we're doing it with like a circular, creating like a circular fade on the side, because we do want to keep it dark in the front for the hairline. So it's like we're fading and we're blending, giving it a taper, but then we're also keeping enough dark in the front and enough weight so that it can really stand out and pop. And for my my course with my step-by-step haircuts, the videos are slowed down, so there are like the exact speed, and they're not sped up or anything like that. So you get every detail, every stroke very slow, and then you can see all the cuts. You can see everything that I'm doing, and I'll explain everything very thoroughly. So right here we're taking the wall zero guard, the 1/16 guard, and we went open and then we went closed. And as you can see, the direction of the hair is, I'm going with the direction of the hair. That's why I'm turning the blade. His hair actually grows forward instead of just straight down. And then we're taking the 2 guard here and just laying the curls down. And I also share with you guys in my course all about the guards and everything like that. That's the 1.5 guard. So if I were to tell you guys, there's the 1/16 guard, which is the 0 guard, the 1/8 guard, which is the 1 guard, the 1.5 guard is the 3/16 guard, and then the 1/4 guard is the 2 guard. And we're just closing the 1.5 guard and just blending it out just a little bit more, getting a little bit around the ear to where it's not just, you have a harsh weight line, but just enough where you blend it and have a nice taper. Then we're just going to line up the other side. And then I just gave you guys the back of the cut and then the sides of the cut so that we can, be short on time, where you guys aren't getting, a full hour video and just, something where you guys can just quickly learn in just 15 minutes really quickly. As you can see, I'm just combing. As you can see, my man Book, he's been laughing the whole time in the chair. You're gonna see it. I don't even remember what we was talking about. That was so funny. So as you can see, when I'm lining up on the sides, I'm using the corner of the blade to create that arch, to create that definition. And as you can see, those are going to be the haircuts that are going to be on the course. And you can see that one as well, where it's like I really showed and slowed everything down. You see me, you know, close up, good quality videos, just everything, you know, I mean, really to the T. So we're lined up around the ear. We just finished up the taper. And then we're going to be lining up the beard. And as you can see, I'm just going over the hair. I'm not pushing against the lineup, I'm going over it and I'm knocking it down so that any hairs that are standing out can be cut. And make sure you always comb. And then we're going to be using Dunn's Butter Be Canned, which is a great product. It smells good, by Zay The Barber. I just took like a nice, like, you know, size, put it in my palm, rub it together, and then rubbed it on the head. And then I'm going to be using the New Dread Curl Sponge. And this is what I use to twist up the hair. And as you can see, it's creating like a nice formed curl. And all the curl products and stuff like that will all be below in the description. And as well as for my full course and everything like that, there will be an enhanced video that shows you that demonstrates how to apply it properly, and also how to use holding products and stuff like that, and a blow dry in order to keep the fibers from washing out in like the first couple of days. And if you can do that, your clients will really, you know, appreciate when you guys apply the fibers instead of just having something where they just washes out. So everybody, the you know, in the course and everything like that is in the description below. So the link is below, and you guys can enroll and use that 𝐤𝐤𝐤. I would capitalize the 𝐤𝐤𝐤, and you guys can access the course and get 20% off. And then after you apply the fibers, you just reline it. Look at that, y'all. Just a clean, nice cut. Curls on top, taper on the sides. And then we got this man just clean. We'll use the razor. Got this man smiling and stuff like that, extra light skin. That's what happens when they get that fresh cut. And my whole course and stuff like that, you know, it explains everything on retaining clients, you know, social media marketing, how to create a viral Instagram video, how to market the viral Instagram video properly with the right hashtags and the right cover videos, cover photos. And then as well as how to turn your Instagram account into a business account, and basically maximize your social media platform and create an online booking system and stuff like that to get you to be able to take clients online and just build your social media and just build your whole platform. I even show you guys how to raise your prices, how to charge more, $30, $40, $50 a haircut. I show you guys my 6-figure business model that I use in order to make $2,000 a week minimum. So if you guys are interested and that's something that you guys want to do, I'm telling you, $2,000 a week could be all of your guys', man, all of your money. You guys can have the car that you want, everything that you desire. Enroll now. The link is in the description. And then if you guys have any other questions, just comment. And then please like, subscribe, and I hope see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.